Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley, and today we'll be talking about YouTube. YouTube is a great way to watch all kinds of videos, from music videos to cooking videos to DIY videos. YouTube has something for everyone. You can either download the app or you can go into Google and type YouTube or type youtube.com into your address bar to open up in your web browser. So first things first, if you don't have to have a YouTube account to watch YouTube videos. However, if you do have an account, it adds to the experience, as you can subscribe to your favorite people/channels, so you can see all the new videos that they come out with and save videos to watch for later. YouTube will also recommend videos based on what videos you've looked at. You can also upload your own videos for the world to see if you wish. To sign up for YouTube, you can sign up with an email address, or you can sign in with an already existing Google account. If you have a Gmail account, you have a Google account, and you can sign up and sign in with that account. With YouTube, you can choose to watch videos for free that includes ads, or you can pay a monthly subscription of $11.99 a month for YouTube Premium, or now they have their YouTube Music Premium for $9.99. I am personally okay with that, so I don't pay for either of these. And this is YouTube. So this is the YouTube app. If you'd like to type in youtube.com into a Google search, you can do that as well, and you can do it on a computer. It looks a little bit different than this, but not too much different. All right, so we're going to just get started here. So this is your home button down here at the bottom. You see it looks like a little house. And if you go through here, you can see that it gives you things. So I've logged in with my Google account already. So they have breaking news, and then they have ones that you follow underneath here. So these are all things I follow and that I've watched. You can actually rent movies from YouTube as well. So you can buy movies or rent them. And it just gives you some different things. There's YouTube mixes based on music that I've listened to. So they actually put a whole bunch of things together so you can listen to different ones like that. And they have different videos. And then if you go along the bottom here, you're going to see next to home there's Explore. So you can go in here and you can explore this. So they have trending videos. If you hit trending, it'll show you all the trending videos right now on YouTube. So you can go in and say now you can choose music. You can choose gaming. Just show you some gaming videos. News. And then trending movies if you'd like to rent them. You can watch the trailers as well. If you go to the next one, you'll see subscriptions. So these are ones that I have subscribed to. You can see down the side there as well. And I'll show you how to subscribe to something soon. But you can just see there's different ones here that I've subscribed to. You can go down and you can just see what the new videos are by going down here. Or you can just actually click on one of them and you can go in to see the new videos as well. And if you have it set up for notifications, you can actually have them send you a notification when a new video comes as well. Inbox, so you can actually turn on notifications to let you know that there are new videos. I don't have my notifications turned on because I just check when I want to check instead of receiving a bunch of notifications. And then under library, you can see history. So these are ones that you've watched in the past. My videos, so ones that I've done. So this is one I did for school when I was doing library school. I had to upload it. So this is an example of a video that I've uploaded that other people can see. There's been 6 views on it. I wasn't expecting it to go viral, but it's just it was just for school that I had to send my teacher the link and everything. Purchases, so whatever you've purchased, you can see here. And then watch later. So there's ones that I have saved for later as well. And then here, if you have a playlist, you can actually add playlists. You can make playlists yourself of videos as well. And you can just go to new playlist and you can just add videos to your playlist, or you can add them along when you look at them as well. So up at the top, you'll also see next to where the green A is, you'll see that there's a little button that looks like a Wi-Fi symbol and a TV. That's to actually, you can actually Bluetooth it to your television. So that's if you're going to, or stream it to your television, sorry. So if you're going to watch something and you have a smart TV, you can actually just hit the button and it'll go from your device to your television as well, which is really nice. And then this here, if you'd like to start to video, you can video as well. That's what the video camera there is for. And then to search, you're just going to hit the search button here. So I'm going to actually show you the Blue Mountains Public Library. So if you just go into your YouTube search here and you type in the Blue Mountains Public Library, and you can see up here it says I'm subscribed to it already, but I'm just going to click on it. And this is our Blue Mountains Public Library YouTube page. So we have home, so this just kind of shows you a bit of everything. And then it breaks it down into categories as well. So Wired Wednesdays, so these are all my Wired Wednesday videos that I've done so far. And the museum museum show tell and sketch. The 360 pathway experience. So if you haven't got to see these yet, they were the ones that were on the VR headsets. You can actually watch them through here as well. Our Military Heritage by the Depot. Museum Mondays with the lovely Monica. Seniors Exercise. So we put all the seniors exercise on here with Sharon as well. So what you can do here, I'm just going to go back up to the top. Now you're back at the top. So you can go over here to videos, and you can go through all the videos if you'd like. Playlists, so they've created playlists. So Building History has a playlist of 2 of them. Wired Wednesdays has 18 videos. Family Craft Time has 15. Wellness with Inner Yogis has 1. Our Military Heritage has 6, and so on and so on. And then these are featured channels that we subscribe to as well. So the Creator Space and Digital Arts Lab, Town of the Mountains, and Then and Now the Blue Mountains. So you can go through and you can just kind of see what we have there. And then just about us as well. And once again, we have a website, we have a Facebook, and we also have Twitter. So now I'm going to show you how to actually subscribe to somebody who you haven't subscribed to yet. So I always like to use Rod Stewart for these examples because I love Rod Stewart, so I'm just going to use that. So I typed in Todd Stewart, but that's okay. So Rod Stewart's right there. So we'll just click on that. So you can see here, this is Rod Stewart music. So I'm just going to hit that button here. And you'll see this is Rod Stewart's page. So you can see here across the top, they have the home, videos, playlist, community, store. So if you want to buy some Rod Stewart merchandise, you can do that from here as well. Channels, and then about. So there's not much on here, but you can see how many views he's had, which is a ton. All right, so to hit subscribe, you're just going to go where it says here. It says Rod Stewart. It says 1.66 million subscribers. You're going to hit subscribe, and then you're subscribed to it. So what you can do is you can choose to turn on notifications. So every time there's a new video posted by Rod Stewart, it will let you know. It'll send you a message to your device. So I'm just going to hit no thanks because I don't need to have those. And then you can go down, you can just see the different videos. So say if you want to add a video to watch later. So next to these little videos, you'll see that there's the title here, and then you're going to see these 3 dots. So you can hit save to watch later, save to playlist, or you can share it with somebody else as well. So if you wanted to create a playlist of Rod Stewart songs that you wanted to have all of your favorite ones, you can actually create a playlist, and then you can just go back and watch that playlist later. All right, and that's YouTube.